Hi, I'm James Lopez, president at HomeFi Corporation, and this is today's mortgage update. Mortgage bonds were up modestly yesterday and a little bit today, about 2 basis points at the time of recording. And the 10-year yield was down about 8 basis points yesterday, and then it's about even today. Now, this is a result of what we call a flight to safety. Bonds and treasuries are always considered a safe haven investment whenever there's instability in markets, and definitely the invasion of Ukraine has caused some instability in the global markets. So we're seeing that flight to safety into the bonds and treasuries, money moving from markets into bonds and treasuries. Now, how long that's going to last, we're not sure. Over the next few weeks and months, it's going to play out. Inflation data is going to play an important part of that, as well as the Fed fund rate and what the Fed is going to do with their interest rate. So all of those things kind of factor into how the bond market is and the treasury market is going to react. And that really plays directly into how interest rates are going to react. So stay tuned. We're always going to give you updates as far as how the mortgage bonds are moving and the treasuries are moving, and we'll keep you up to date on what's going on with that. In other news, Realtor.com released some interesting data about rental rates across the country. The median rental rate across the country is $1,800 a month, $1,800 a month. That's up 20% year over year. 20% from last year, that's huge. All right, so in 26 states, it's actually cheaper to buy now in over half the states in the country than it is to rent. Rent versus buy is a huge question. We've got some great tools that we can get to you if you're interested about, how much is it going to cost, if I rent for 1 year, 5 years, what's the overall cost going to be? And how much is it going to cost if I buy from 1 year to 5 years? What's that overall cost going to be on rent versus buy? We've got some great data that we can share with you. Just get in touch and let us know that you're interested in that, and we'll get it to you. And then lastly, in today's economic news, it's kind of a quiet day on the economic news front as far as data that's released today. The biggest news was personal income data was released, and it was basically flat month over month, so not a lot going on there. That's all we've got for today. I hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.